Jerry Mason, Kickin lawyer. Another fact that I wish I had known when I was a law enforcement officer, and now looking back on it as a criminal defense lawyer. So cops typically focus on probable cause, which is an amount of evidence, right? So if you have your scales of justice, probable cause is a slight tilt to the scales of justice. When we go to trial, if we go to trial, the state has the burden to prove the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, which is a significant increase in amount of evidence required than just probable cause. So I wish when I had been a police officer, I had focused more on accumulating more evidence instead of just thinking, oh, I've showed up, I've secured the scene, I got probable cause, I'm locking them up, taking out, I'm gonna let the detectives figure it out or the prosecutors figure it out down the road. I think I probably would have ended up with more convictions as a police officer if I had done a little more due diligence on the front end. When police officers make a scene, they have a lot more leeway than later investigators do on sort of investigating the scene, because the Supreme Court has said that they get the right to secure the scene, make sure that the community is going to be safe, and because of that, there are questions that you can ask that a later investigator may not be able to. So for me, and again, I'm not saying for all cops, I'm just saying for me personally, that's something that I wish I had kind of looked at a little differently, is tried to accumulate more evidence than just enough to take them to jail.